Hello, my name is Jeff with Accurate Lock and Hardware, and I want to introduce our new glass kit sliding door self-latching lock set. So a few years ago, we developed a accessible sliding door lock self-latching. So basically the way it works is when the door closes up against the jamb, the latch projects and now the door is actually latched. In passage mode, I can retract the latch or I can lock the door with an additional security bolt. And this is great for flushwood doors in an office environment where accessibility is important. Well, there's a need in the marketplace for glass sliding doors, frameless in particular, and this is our self-latching glass patch sliding door lock. And it's basically using the same lock mechanism that we developed. This is the 1700 series, this is for swing doors, and all the functions in this lock are available in this. This is your strike. So that shows you how the lock will latch into a strike. And as you can see, it has this small little hook bolt, which is going behind the strike. So basically we have passage sets, we have privacy sets, we have classroom sets, entrance sets. 1/2 inch glass, 3/8 inch glass are your typical. This one happens to be centered on glass. So the outside lever is rigid on this particular function. It's our storeroom function, but the key can retract the latch. Inside lever always free. So this is a glass patch kit, 3/8 1/2 inch glass. There's primarily black, satin nickel, and brushed aluminum finishes, but we can do any finish. Self-latching, and this can also be modified for electronic access control.